Channel Maths and Method Academy. Today we are going to solve a quadratic equation with the help of the method called completing the square. So let's go on with our solution. Our given equation is 2 into x raised to power 2 minus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. So to apply this method, first of all we have to separate the terms that are involving x. For doing so, we will add 3 on both sides of this equation. Three goes with 3, so we are left with 2x squared minus 5x is equal to 3. Now we have to remove the coefficient of x square. In other words, we should have 1 as the coefficient of x square. So we should divide whole equation by 2. Two cancels with 2 and we are left with x squared minus 5 over 2x is equal to 3 over 2. Now we have to make the left side a complete square. So for doing so, let us compare it with the complete square and how the complete square looks like. That will be a square minus 2ab plus b squared is equal to a minus b squared. This x square corresponds to a square, x corresponds to a, but we have no 2 there to match with it, so match with this 2. So what we will do, we will multiply and divide by 2 here. So when we do so, the equation becomes like x squared minus 2. We can write x first and the remaining part, which is 5 over 2 into 2, 5 over 4. Now these are two terms of the square, like this is one term and this is second term, but we need to add the third term also here, which is b square. This 5 over 4 is actually b part of the formula. So since b is 5 over 4, so b square will be square of 5 over 4, which we will add into the left side of the equation to make it complete square. And since it is an equation, we will add the same on the other side of the equation as well. So left side is a complete square now of x minus 5 over 4 square is equal to, we will solve the right side, 25 over 16. So x minus 5 over 4 square is equal to 24 plus 25 over 16 is the right side. X minus 5 over 4 squared is equal to 49 over 16. Now we will apply square root on both sides. X minus 5 over 4 squared is equal to 49 over 16. Please don't forget to place plus minus here, because square of plus is also square and the square of minus is also plus. So we applied square root on both sides. So x minus 5 over 4 is equal to plus minus 7 over 4. So x is equal to 5 over 4 plus or minus 7 over 4. So x will either be 5 over 4 plus 7 over 4, or x will be equal to 5 minus 7 over 4. So x is equal to 12 over 4 or x is equal to minus 2 over 4. x comes out to be 3 or x will be equal to minus 1 over 2. So our solution set of this question is 3 and minus 1 over 2, which is our final answer. That's all for now. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe this video. Until the next time, please take care of yourself and bye bye.